Hello my ABT students. This is part 2 of the Novelty document in advanced tables. Now remember what happened was I didn't watch the time and I ran out of time, so the last 7 seconds didn't get recorded, but I think I was just doing the sorting. So I'm just going to go over that. I'm going to click in here, select your table with the 4-headed arrow. We're going to go to sort, and then we had said sort on whichever item you want to sort on. And if we had chosen item number and you said number in ascending order, then you would have had 10, 10, 10, 20, 10, 30, 10, 40, and so on. But if we had said go to sort, and you had been asked to sort on name, you chose name, it's text in ascending order, and now you're going by name, alligator, bear, bobcat, and so on down. So that's where we left off. So if that got cut off in the previous video, here it is. Okay, the last little bit of this piece that we have to do to finish this assignment, it asks us to put a right aligned header on the second and third pages. All right, so first of all we want to go to insert, and we want to go to header here, and it said for us to use a different first page. So first of all, let's go to blank, as you were supposed to do. We don't want anything on the first page, so you want to say different first page. Alright, so if we go previous, there's nothing going to be here on this page. Alright, then we go to next, and here's our header box. This is where we want, but we don't want any of this here, so we're going to delete it because it told us to go straight to the right hand side. So take off your center tab. You can either press your tab key or you could have went Control R, it doesn't matter. And it asked us to type in the word page, space bar, and it said go to page number and use current position, and we want only a plain number. And there's page 2. Now if I want to check your codes, all I have to do is go Alt F9 and I can see your codes. So therefore I know if you've done that or not. So if you just typed in page 2, you won't get that. Okay, alright, now if I go to view multiple pages, I can see that I have no header on the first page. I have page 2 here, and I have page 3. All right, that's good. That's what we wanted. Now, it asked you for the footer. It said to put the path and file name on the left-hand side. All right, so we want to go to Design. We want to go to Quick Parts, and we want to go to Field, Document Information, File Name, Add to path, and you know all this, so I don't need to worry about that. And there it is. Take off your center tab and press your tab key, and you were asked to put the date and time on. So go to your date and time and choose the third date and say OK. Alright, shift home, size it down 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Now copy it, go Control C, and of course you've got to go here on the first page and put it in. And what do you see here? Do you see they don't line up? Why? Because you didn't delete that extra paragraph symbol. So make sure that you always delete it and these line up in a straight line. And now you have your footer on the third page, and that's exactly what you should have had. Alright, I'll close out of there, and there's your memo. There's your table that you did with your style, and you changed the cell margins and you played with the repeating header row. Alright, so save your work, that's good, and we'll stop there.